Hi, this is Gogi from Gogi.in and you're watching the unboxing and review of Zolo Q1000S. Here is the box pack. It's powered by a MediaTek quad-core turbo processor. The specifications as mentioned on the box pack, it's a 6.98 mm thick, 1.5 GHz MT65890 processor with Power VRS GX544MP GPU, 5-inch IPS OGS screen, 13 megapixel rear autofocus camera with BSI 2 sensor, 5MP front camera, full HD video recording and playback supported, 1GB RAM, 16GB internal storage. The sensors comes with the anti-theft app, power saver app. This handset doesn't come with a micro SD card slot. Runs on the Android 4.2 Jelly Bean OS with 2500 mAh battery. Let's start the unboxing. Here is the handset. We'll have a look at this later. Inside the box you'll find the screen guard, the power adapter, warranty information, quick start guide, data cable, earphone, white color, call button and the mic, the pin and the earplug. It's of good quality. Inside the box you will also find a pin. Here is the pin. This is used to eject the SIM card tray. Here is the handset, black colored. Rear side is black colored matte finish. The build quality is very good and the handset is pretty slim, though it's not lightweight. I will now show you how to use this pin, but before this let me tell you that this handset comes with a non-removable battery. There is no option to remove the back cover. Okay, here is the pin and there is a pin hole. You just press it and the tray will eject. Pull it out and this is where you put in the SIM card. Let's remove the film. This is how the handset looks on the front side. There is one more protective film. You can see the bubbles here. If you want, you can remove this. The 3 touch sensitive buttons on the front side, and here is the mic. On the top there is the sensors, the in-call speaker and the 5 megapixel front camera. On the rear side, the speaker out, the Zolo logo and the 13 megapixel autofocus camera with LED flash and the mic. On the top side you will find the 3.5mm audio jack. Next to the audio jack is the micro USB port, and as we already seen on the right side there is the SIM tray, the SIM card tray. On the left side you will find the volume rockers, and below the volume rockers the power button. These buttons are not exactly aligned in the center but are slightly away towards the back. The handset weight is 162 grams with battery. The thickness is 7.60 mm. The breadth is 72.13 mm, and the length, it's lengthier because of the 5-inch screen. The length is 146.99 mm. And now let's power on this device. It runs on the Android Jelly Bean 4.2 OS, the Zolo logo and the lock screen. Here is my SIM card. You need to place it on the tray and just push it in. This handset makes use of normal SIM, and as you can see the SIM card has been detected. The touch is very smooth and responsive. Looks good. Now let's go to the settings. The handset runs on the Android 4.2.1, Wi-Fi hotspot and USB tethering is supported. The internal storage for app is 1.97 GB, of which 1.87 GB is available, and the phone storage is 11.34 GB. Here is the 1.9 GB internal storage and the 11 GB phone storage. Of the 1 GB RAM you get 630 MB free. These are the GPS settings. You even have the FM radio. The viewing angle is good. As you can see, you can clearly see the fonts and the text. I'm going to switch off the Zolo power option. System information: ARMV Cortex A7 clocked at 1.5 GHz, Power VRS GX544MP GPU, and the battery looks good, 61%, 34 degrees temperature. MT6589 is the hardware, and the screen resolution is 1280 by 720 pixels. Here are the sensors: accelerometer, proximity, light, orientation and magnetic sensor. All of these are working. Quadrant benchmark score is 4764. Antutu score is 15,498. Vilamo HTML5 1502 and metal is 584. Nina Mark II 51.1 FPS. And here is one more benchmarking app that makes use of the Unreal Engine, gaming engine, Epic Citadel. And let's check out the benchmark scores. 56.7 for high performance, and I'm going to change it to ultra high performance. Let's check out the benchmark now. 27.1 for ultra high quality performance. This handset supports 5-point multi-touch. I've loaded my website and I'm trying to zoom in. The rendering looks pretty good. Now let's check out the camera. The rear camera is of 13 megapixel resolution. Going to the camera settings, and as you can see, the picture size is 13 megapixel. Let's go to the video mode. I've already set the quality to fine to be able to record in full HD resolution. There is the zero shutter delay option and continuous shot face detection. The front camera is of 5 megapixel resolution, and here are the camera options on the left side. I'm going to record a video in full HD resolution and we'll check its properties in MX Player. Here is the video in MX Player. It's 1080p at 30 frames per second. After running all these benchmark tools, the battery level is at 48% now and the temperature is 35 degrees. I'm out in the open and enabling the GPS. The lock process has started. 22:26 is the time. And as you can see, I got a lock well within 30 seconds. The time is still 22:26 and this is my location. I'm going to enable the compass option, and as you can see, the compass is working. The Zolo Q1000S is priced at approx rupees 18,999. It comes powered by a MediaTek MT6589T processor clocked at 1.5 GHz. This handset sports a 5-inch screen with HD resolution, comes with 1 GB RAM and 16 GB internal storage. External SD card is not supported. This is a single SIM handset that runs on the Android 4.2 OS. OTG is not supported. Though the build quality and the finishing is very good, I am not particularly happy with this part here. The silver part, it's not perfectly aligned, it looks kind of ugly. Overall, the performance is good. This handset will compete with other handsets powered by the MediaTek turbo processor. For full reviews, sample images and videos, visit my website, Gogi.in.